स्पीड है ना, स्पीड वहाँ पे। Yo, only 20 kilometers into the ride and it's raining. Why, man? Now I gotta stop somewhere. God damn it. Let's see if we can find some restaurant over here. I haven't had my breakfast anyway. And it's gone. The rain's gone. Monsoon is just strange. Very strange. I don't really want to stop anywhere anyway. At least before I do 60-70 kilometers. So let's just keep going and going. Wow, 58 kilometers done. Just realized that my rear tire is punctured. भैया पंक्चर निकालने वाला है कोई? नहीं, कहाँ पे होगा? हाँ? कितने किलोमीटर है? ये अंदर जा रहा है? ये कट, ये सामने तो ये गाड़ियाँ खड़ी है ना, उसके पीछे एक दुकान हो रही है। इधर इधर, अच्छा। चालू है क्या? भैया भैया पंक्चर निकाल दोगे? पंक्चर हो गया, पंक्चर हो गया, पंक्चर बाइक में। This pony was not ready to get up just yet. I started asking around if there was another tire shop around. Two people came forward to help, suggested me to follow them. ये पास में है? वो वाले था, ये पास वाले है। हाँ। चलो, थैंक यू, धन्यवाद। ये पंक्चर निकल जाएगा? निकल जाएगा। चलो, thank you. It's 7:30 now. I made my way out of the village and back onto the highway. The road was just crème de la crème. Alright, 113 kilometers done. I'm currently in the town of Seeker. This is my first time here. I've done this highway multiple times. This is the furthest I've been, and today we are going even further. The time right now is 8:15. I left home at 5. Haven't even had breakfast yet. I'm extremely hungry. Gonna take a small break, have something to eat, and then I'm going to stop recording. Yes, I'm not going to be recording the entire ride. Let me eat, then I'll give more details. I had my breakfast in Seeker, and then I rode somewhere close to a town called Churu. Making my way back to Sikar, we were now 271 kilometers into the ride. I had a delicious paratha for lunch and started talking inside my helmet again, not knowing that I didn't even switch on the GoPro. Are you kidding me? I didn't even turn on my camera. How can I be so stupid sometimes? But alright, I'll talk a little bit again. So I'll tell you guys the story again. So what really happened today? I recorded till around Sikar, and that's only like 120 or 30 kilometers. Then how is my trip suddenly 282 kilometers now? Actually, that is because I rode to a little town called Churu. I had some work there which I unfortunately cannot share. It's a small little town with just a little bit over 100,000 people. Small as it is, there was actually an extremely rich person born there. Do you know who? Someone who once was the richest person in India and one of the richest people in the world. That is Lakshmi Mittal. He's a billionaire. I believe he has a steel making company. I had a lot of fun today, man. The time now is 12:30. I left home at 5 a.m. So I've been on the road for more than 7.5 hours. And right now I am in Udaipur Vati. This place is just beautiful, mind-blowing, mesmerizing. I've been here so many times. I've done this exact ride that I'm doing today so many times. Not the Churu one, but this ride I've done, like Udaipur Vati and Harsh Parvat, that I'll be doing today again. This exact ride I did back in 2020 when coronavirus, the pandemic, was just starting to take shape, when there was no lockdown, not really any restrictions. The life was amazing. This place in monsoon is crazy. Look at the greenery. By the way, that dhaba I stopped at, the food was just, I think this was the first paratha I had in 2021. It was pretty amazing. The size of it was pretty exceptional as well. Eating just one paratha and I'm full. Man, look at this place. Wow! I'm all up in my feelings right now, huh? Ah, damn, this is making me emotional, huh? Man, what a beautiful place. What a beautiful place. I love this place. Wow. Today is also kind of a long ride. I'm going to be doing almost 500 kilometers. And that to me is definitely a long ride. Oh, the greenery. Sometimes I can't believe that this stuff exists in Rajasthan. Unusual as it may sound, these hills are a part of the Aravalli Range, the oldest fold mountains in the world. They date back to the time when India wasn't even a part of Asia. They are even older than the Himalayas. That just sounds insane. Buffalo boy. Wow. And here we are, the Baralachra of Rajasthan. This is what Rachit Bhaiya named this place. The weather is so pleasant.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth. Do or die.
Man, this DV color has really grown on me. I'm starting to like it. Actually sounds pretty good. And here we are at the end. No water. I was now on my way to the Harsh Parvat, and the humongous windmills were now getting closer and closer. But before I could reach the top, and just 10 more kilometers ahead of me, I had to come to a halt. अरे यार, रास्ता बंद हो गया. What the hell? बारिश से रास्ता टूट गया क्या? बंद है? कि बारिश की वजह से? अरे यार, कब तक खुलेगा ये? अच्छा खुलेगा ही नहीं मतलब तब तक. I had such high hopes today. I wanted to see the windmills. That sucks. That really sucks. Yeah, that sucked. But here are some drone shots from some time ago anyway. पैदल जाना पड़ेगा.
ये रास्ता खराब है कि
रास्ता खराब है, बारिश की वजह से खराब हो गया.
7 किलोमीटर में कितनी पेड़ी होगी.
रोड पे तो फिर चला जा सकता है, ये तो चढ़ना पड़ेगा ना. चढ़ने में
3 गुना ज्यादा हो रहा है.
Alright, let's try a different route. It had been a long day and it was now time for me to head back home. Around 20 kilometers left for Jaipur. My trip says I've done 440. So this wasn't quite a 500 kilometer ride, more like 460-ish. That's probably because I didn't get to go to Harshnath. The time right now is 5:30. I should be home by 6. By the way, I'm sure a lot of people are going to be asking me, why did I put premium petrol in this bike at the start of the video? Well, that is because I actually do that every 6 to 7,000 kilometers. As far as I know, in India, the higher octane fuel is basically just normal fuel with octane booster, and what that does is it cleans the fueling system, basically the fuel injectors. So after every 6 to 7,000 kilometers, if I'm on a long ride where I know I'm going to be riding at higher speeds, I get a tank full of premium petrol. I mean, Royal Enfield doesn't really need higher octane fuel. Even if you put it in regularly, it's not really going to help. It's going to make the engine knock. I remember I used to put in premium petrol in this motorcycle when I first bought it, and the engine used to knock a lot. And finally we are back. We made it to our little village. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure as hell had a lot of fun making it. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.
Ay, chica.
Oh, you're kidding me. You are kidding me. You just ruined my shot.